Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to automatically move picture in Excel cell. So guys, you want to resize picture automatically as cell size like this. Once you change the size for this cell, picture will automatically resize. So firstly guys, enter your picture or insert. Now firstly resize the picture as your requirement. Now make changes for any particular cell. Now press and hold Alt key. Now drag and drop this picture in this cell. Make roughly this cell as this picture size. Now right click on it. Now here click on size and properties. You will see this format picture. So click on this option, size and properties, and here properties, and select this option, first one. Here are you will see three options: move and size with cells, move but don't size with cells, don't move or size with cells. So you have to select this first option, move and size with cells. Now click anywhere. Now try to resize this cell. So we can see this picture is automatically resized. Now try. So we can see now it's over. So this way you can automatically move picture in Excel cell. Thanks for watching.